Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Grange Insurance step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your financial documents. This includes income statements, bills, and any recurring expenses. Next, identify your total monthly income. This should include your salary, bonuses, and any side hustles. Now, list all your fixed expenses. These might include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance costs. Then, outline your variable expenses. Consider groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Once you have all your expenses listed, categorize them into fixed and variable. This helps you see where your money is going each month. Now, subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will show you how much you can save or if you need to adjust spending. If you have a surplus, consider allocating some funds to savings or investments. If you're in the negative, examine your variable expenses for potential cuts. Next, create a budget plan. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper. Decide on spending limits for each category. Be realistic and flexible in your approach. After setting your budget, track your spending regularly. This helps ensure you stay within your limits and adjust as needed. Revisit your budget monthly to make necessary adjustments. Account for any changes in income or expenses during this time. Lastly, consider using Grange Insurance for risk management. Review their services to protect your assets and plan for the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.